Got a minute? Let's talk about some benefits that might be included in your home insurance that could help after severe weather. Storms can cause terrible damage. Many homeowners and renters insurance policies will help pay for some of your extra expenses while you recover. If you can't stay in your home because of damage from a covered event, your policy might pay for additional living expenses. These could include a hotel, rent, or food, expenses you wouldn't have if you were still in your home. And home repairs can sometimes take months, so watch your expenses carefully to make sure you have enough to cover the entire time you'll be out of your home. If you reach your policy's limits, you'll have to pay the rest out of pocket. Some home and renters policies will pay up to $500 to cover spoiled food if the power failed under certain circumstances. File your claim right away, take photos of the lost food, and keep your receipts. If you have questions about insurance, call our helpline or visit our website.